People got issues, man. You gotta do something about that. You talking about me like you fucking know me, man. Like, it's funny, man. I go to sleep and I laugh at it. Don't even bother me no more. Yeah, like, listen.
It's times like these where I feel regret. When I gotta work for this work, this check, they don't pay for shit. I never finished school, what do you expect? Me to be cool? Yes? No? I don't think so. Go back to school to tell me. But what if I start drowning? Are you gonna be there to bail me? I don't think so. So please save the talk for someone else. I feel like I should have been someone else. But damn, I'm not. I'm stuck in this hell spot. I failed to prevail, so let my ass rot. I wish I was an abortion, but I'm afraid not. A portion of my life is happy I'm here. The rest is a blank spot. I think everything's gonna be okay. I think not. I hate my life, I bet you hate yours too. But what's your reason for being this motherfucking miserable? People tell you to be positive, how do you take that? When shit around you is negative and you can't catch a break, Jack.
Why do I feel this way? I said, why do I feel this way? See, I got too much weight on my shoulder blades. How much more weight can I take? How could you be so cold? How could you be so cold? How could you be so cold?
Man, I'm sick and tired of all the shit I'm riding. How could you
be so cold?
Dennis is cool, don't you listen to them. They just pissed at you, man. They just mad you're doing shit better than them. I swear you don't, fuck what they think. They can all suck a dick, suckers die, they all fucking stink. They shit, don't take it personal. This the world we live in, shit stains and urinals. Complex self-esteem issues, so they diss you to up themselves and make themselves feel special. Understand you're up there, up where, up here. Nobody can touch here, motherfucker, you nuts, yeah. You are not a quitter, you are sicker than most of these little stains. So stop feeling bitter about yourself. You know they suck a dick, you're much bigger. You function on a different level, you're something like a ton bigger. Your tongue is fungus, your skill is humongous. You know it, so fuck it, don't listen to these dumb kids.
Why do I feel this way? I said, why do I feel this way? See, I got too much weight on my shoulder blades. How much more weight can I take? How could you be so cold? How could you be so cold? How could you be so cold?
Man, I'm sick and tired of all the shit I'm riding. How could you
be so cold?
World is a cold ass place, man. You can't quit. If you quit, you might as well call yourself dead. You know what I'm saying? So keep moving. Don't take shit personal. Don't let it get to you. Don't let them get the best of you, man.
I look toward my goal, so I move forward. I know if I stop now, I'm proving that I'm no good and these haters win. I won't let that happen again. I'm a fighter. A lighter, bitch, I'm on fire till I retire. I took a break to rewire my wires. I'm Robocop, back from the dead. The show don't stop till I roll over rot. I know that I'm hot, I don't need people to tell me that. Not even school to help me back and tell me that I'm a failure. I'll nail your coffin and soften your hard image. I'm starving in it's kinda crazy how I keep eating without taking a break or drinking a shake in between breaths that I barely take, or some water to wash down this awful taste. I wonder if anyone out there can relate. Man, I'm losing any grasp I have on my faith, cause I'm so raw but still no record deal on my plate. Half of these fuckers can't even see me, the other half wanna be me. The ones that don't know me don't know that I'm killing beats easy. Man, I'm mad I can't understand it. Tell the planet to kiss my ass and grab this ladder and cram it, damn it.
Why do I feel this way? I said, why do I feel this way?
Čau visiem, mani sauc Juris, esmu no JV Clubs Dance Company. Šis video ir vairāk priekš dejotājiem, priekš cilvēkiem, kuriem es esmu vairāk kārt atteicis, nevarēdams ierasties priekš viņiem ciemos studiju un pamācīt un kaut ko padalīties. Tādā tā kā mazā tutorial veidā es mēģināšu jums kaut ko pateikt un pamācīt no savas puses, jo mūsos katrā ir kaut kas tāds, ar ko mēs varam dalīties. Jā, šī ir mana diena, kad es vienkārši nāku studiju, pats ar sevi strādāju, moku sevi un ņemos un daru lietas, kuras nav vērtas priekš maniem. Šodien bija mana pirkstu diena. Un es izdomāju vienkārši paņemt kameru līdzi, jā, kāpēc ne, nolikt tur viena otrā, kaut ko pafilmēt, kaut ko padejot, strādāt ar sevīm un uztaisīt mazu video ar kaut kādu domu message no manas puses, jā. So, jā, pirmais, ko es jums sasaku, ir dejotājiem, ir ļoti grūts darbs. Tas ir 24/7 piespiest sevi gan garīgi, gan fiziski. Jā. So, es iesaku no manas puses vismaz 2 reizes, katru otro dienu strādāt par kādām 3 stundām studijā, mocīt sevi, darīt lietas, ko jūs neesiet darījuši. Okay. Otrais. Strādājiet ar freestyle ļoti daudz. Nākiet uz studiju, uzsēdziet mūzikas tādas, kāds jūs ikdienā neklausieties un radiet sev tādu kosmosu, kad pats nesaproti un pats esi šokā no tā, ko tu dari, jā, jo tu esi spēcīgs, cik spēcīgs tavs ķermenis. Un trešais ir pats galvenais iemācīties, un es arī mācos tajā skaitā, tā kā iesaku mācīties, klausīties mūziku, klausīties lietas, kuras neeksistē, dzirdēt mūzikai apakšā, dzirdēt to, ko cits nedzird. Un tāpat kā es skatīties video atpakaļ, es mēģināju ar tādiem vienkāršiem soļiem parādīt šīs dziesmas Eminemam, kas man ļoti patīk. To gitāru, kas skan apakšā, tās skaņas, ja? Tas ir divreiz interesantāk nekā dejot uz lietām, ko cilvēku ikdienā dzird. Un tas ir tas, kas tev padara īpaši, un tas ir tas, kas tev parādas no citas puses. Ja? Un, just be you, un klausies un dzirdi to, kas neeksistē. Jo fantastiskāks attiecības to ar mūziku, jo spēcīgāks ir tavs ķermenis. Ja? Rakstiet komentārus, vai jums patika vai nepatika, kas jums patika, kas jums nepatika, vai vispār tādus nevajag, vai īsākus vai konkrētākus. Un es ceru, ka jums patika. Ja? Tev cilvēkiem, kuriem tas nepatika, es ļoti atvainojos, man tas galīgi neinteresē. Ja? So, keep working, work hard, work your ass off. So, tas ir viss panākuma atslēga, darbs ar sevi, okay? So, motivēju jūs nepadoties, fokusēties vairāk uz freestyle, strādājiet ar sevi, klausieties mūzikā, tas, kas neeksistē, un veidojiet attiecības sevi. Uzliekat austiņu, ejiet kaut vai stoli ar austiņām, ja? Un smērēt sviestmaizi jau pilnīgi savādāk, klausieties 24/7 mūziku. Jo vairāk jūs pavadīsiet laiku ar mūziku, jo spēcīgāks tev attiecības kļūst ar viņu, ja? So, mans novēlējums jums ir, visi, kas dejo, esiet pacietīgi, okay? So, viss nāks ar laiku, ja? Es sev saku tā, ja es esmu tādā līmenī tagad, man tādā ir jābūt, un es zinu, ka es vienmēr varu vairāk, un es cīnos, un novēlējums to pašu, nepadodaties, cīnīties un esiet forši. So, just do your thing.